Plants are more than just beautiful decorations. They bring life, freshness, and positive energy into our homes. Keeping plants indoors has many benefits for our health, mood, and overall lifestyle. First, plants purify the air. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the indoor environment fresher and healthier. Some plants also remove harmful toxins and improve air quality naturally, reducing the risk of headaches, allergies, and breathing problems. Second, plants reduce stress and improve mood. Studies show that simply being around greenery can lower anxiety, increase feelings of calmness, and help you focus better. Caring for plants can also be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Third, plants add beauty and style to our homes. Whether it's a small potted plant on the table or a large leafy plant in the corner, they create a welcoming and cozy atmosphere. Greenery blends well with any interior design, making our spaces feel more alive. Fourth, some plants have practical benefits. For example, herbs like mint, basil, and rosemary can be grown indoors and used in cooking. Aloe vera can be used for skincare and minor burns. Lastly, plants can improve humidity levels indoors. By releasing moisture into the air, they help prevent dry skin, sore throats, and other issues caused by dry indoor environments. In short, keeping plants at home is good for our health, mind, and surroundings. They clean the air, reduce stress, beautify our spaces, and even provide useful products. So, adding a few plants to your home is not just decoration. It's a step towards a healthier and happier lifestyle.